How to chat on Roblox PS4 Blox Fruits. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll address your queries regarding chatting on Roblox on a PlayStation 4, specifically Blox Fruits. When playing Blox Fruits on any other Roblox game on a computer or a mobile device, you can easily chat with other players. However, when it comes to console versions like Blox Fruits or Roblox in general, the chat feature is not available. Unfortunately, developers have chosen not to include chat functionality in console versions for reasons like security concerns. This means that the console players cannot chat with others in-game. If you wish to communicate with friends while playing on the console, you can consider using alternatives like Discord or the Roblox mobile app. Until an update changes this, chatting directly through the game on a console will remain impossible. This video aims to clarify that using the chat function on the PlayStation 4 version of Roblox including Blox Fruits is not feasible. Exploring other communications options like Discord or the Roblox mobile app is recommended. If this video has addressed your queries regarding this, please like, share and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.